Let's check out how to do the 4-wheel drive shifting in the all-new Thar's 80 variant. That's the 4-wheel drive shift lever of the Thar 80. And those are the shifting modes. It's got 2H, 4H, neutral and the 4L mode. In the automatic transmission variant, before you shift to any of these positions, you've got to keep the TGS lever in the neutral position. Let's check out the various shifting modes now. The 2H mode. In city limits and hard surfaced roads, you drive the Thar in the 2H mode. All the 4-wheel drive telltale lamps will be off in this mode, as the front axle disconnect feature would have disconnected the front wheels from the drivetrain. In the 2H mode, the torque goes only to the rear axles. 4H mode is for those loose and slippery road surfaces where more traction points are required, whereas 4L is for off-roading and driving on all sorts of rugged uneven terrain that the Thar is built for. Let's do some shifting now. Shifting from 2H to 4H. To shift to 4-wheel drive high mode, get the speed of the car to 0. That's the mandatory condition. The TGS shift lever should be in neutral position. And then move the 4-wheel drive shift lever to 4H. You've got to keep the brake pedal pressed while you do the shifting from 2H to 4H. While the shifting is occurring, the 4-wheel drive lamp starts blinking and the 4-wheel drive telltale lamp glows solid once the shifting to 4-wheel drive is complete. You can see the 4H animation on the instrument cluster's display area as well. Shifting from 4H to 4L. To shift from 4-wheel drive high mode to 4-wheel drive low mode, firstly get the car to a grinding halt and move the TGS lever to neutral gear. After that, press the knob of the 4-wheel drive shift lever downwards, move it to the neutral mode and release the knob. After that, push it to 4L mode. For 4L mode, neutral gear is mandatory. In the 4L mode, ESP gets deactivated, which is indicated by the ESP of telltale, and once the 4L mode is engaged, the 4-low telltale glows solid on the instrument cluster. That's the 4L animation on the instrument cluster's display area, which you'd get to see. Shifting from 4-low to 4H. To shift from 4-wheel drive low mode to 4-wheel drive high mode, get the car's speed to 0 kmph and move the TGS lever to neutral gear. After that, move the 4-wheel drive shift lever to neutral position, then push the knob of the 4-wheel drive lever downwards, move the 4-wheel drive shift lever to 4H and release it. Shifting to 4H is complete. The moment you take the 4-wheel drive shift lever from 4L to neutral position, ESP gets reactivated and the 4-low telltale and ESP of telltale vanishes. Once the 4-wheel drive telltale becomes solid, it just means that the shifting to 4H is complete. Shifting from 4H to 2H. To shift from 4-wheel drive high mode to 2-wheel drive mode, get the car's speed to 0 kmph and move the TGS lever to neutral gear. After that, directly move the 4-wheel drive shift lever to 2H. All the 4-wheel drive based telltales get switched off in this mode. That's all about the various shift modes in the all-new Thar 80. Visit the nearest Mahindra dealership and test drive the all-new Thar.